Today, we're diving deep into the world of parachutes and exploring how these amazing devices work. So, buckle up and let's take off on an exciting journey into the sky. Picture this, you're soaring through the air, free as a bird. Then, all of a sudden, you decide to jump out of that airplane and ride the wind back to Earth. And boy, do you need a parachute for that? But how do these incredible devices work? Well, it all comes down to physics. A parachute is essentially a large fabric that resembles a dome when viewed from above. It's attached to a harness that you wear when you're skydiving. When you pull the ripcord, a number of lines disconnect from your harness and start to propel the parachute open. As it unfolds in midair, it captures all that wonderful wind energy around you and turns it into forward motion. That's why I always say timing is everything in skydiving. You need to wait for just the right wind speed before you deploy your chute. The moment your chute opens completely, it starts slowing your descent dramatically. The larger and more open it is, the more effective it becomes at slowing your flight speed downward. It also causes drag and applies backward force on the chute itself. This creates an upward lift force on the harness with lines attached to the chute. Together, they work in tandem to gently lower you back down to Earth safely, providing they work correctly. So there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the fascinating world of parachutes and how they work. Remember, next time you see someone floating gracefully back down to Earth under a canopy of colorful fabric billowing around them, give them a big thumbs up for their fearless leap of faith in choosing an adventure thousands have only dreamt about. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button if this video was fun and informative for you. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this one. Until our next adventure together, stay safe and keep dreaming big.